In this video, Bitcoin got rejected by this resistance at 28,300 US dollars, and from there we already lost 4%. And guys, I believe there's still space for trading this move till 26,000 US dollars and make another 40% profit with 10x leverage. And guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade this move, and also I'm going to show you the crazy price target in case we break this resistance here, let's say at 28,500 US dollars, because if that happens, we're going to see a crazy price increase in the next weeks and months. And in this video, I'm going to show you why I believe so, and actually why I'm almost certain this is going to happen. And so guys, if you want to know more about this, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro. I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, we are trading within this channel on the daily chart, and as you can see here, every time we touched this resistance, we then went down, and every time we touched this support, we then got a bounce and went up, and then got rejected again by this resistance line. And so guys, this channel is giving us so many opportunities for longing and shorting and making incredible profits, because as you can see here, if we were shorting at this level, we were making 100% profit with 10x leverage. Same thing if we were shorting here. And now guys, if you placed a short position here, I believe you're going to make more than 70% profit, because I believe we're going to go down again and touch this this support, and touch this level at 26,000 US dollars. And that's why I said there's still space for trading this short till 26,000 US dollars and make 40% profit with 10x leverage, guys. And so guys, if you want to place this trade, that's what I would do. So I would enter the position a bit above from the level where we are trading right now. I would take my stop loss. I would place it at a bit above 29,000 US dollars to be safe. And I would take profit at 26,000 US dollars and make almost 50% profit with 10x leverage. And guys, if we touch this support level instead, this is going to be an opportunity for playing a bounce till we touch this resistance again. And this of course would be almost 80% profit with 10x leverage. And in this case, you would enter the trade once we touch the 26,000 US dollars level. You would take profit, of course, before this resistance line, and you would place your stop loss below 25,000 US dollars. And this is because, as you can see here, 25,000 is going to be the next big support level for Bitcoin, because we got rejected here, then lost something like 20%, and then we got a bounce, and when we tested this resistance and we broke it, we then saw this huge pump. So guys, this is a big level. That's why I say place your stop loss below this level in case you are longing here for playing a bounce. And guys, now I said that I would show you a crazy price target in case we break to the upside. So in case we break this resistance here, which means in case we have a candle close, a daily candle close above, let's say 28,500 US dollars. And if that happens, guys, we're going to reach crazy levels. And this is because there's a very bullish pattern here on the daily. And if you are a subscriber, you already know this. But if you are not a subscriber, then you should really watch this video till the end, because this is going to give you some crazy news about what could be the price target for Bitcoin in the next months. And let me show you now, after I clean this chart a little bit, and let me show you right now. So this is another pattern, guys, on the daily. It's a very bullish pattern, and as you can see here, this is a cup and handle pattern, guys. Look at this. This is extremely bullish, and it's very bullish to see it on the daily chart. So let me show you how you would trade this move and what's the price target in case we break to the upside. So you measure the target by connecting the bottom of the pattern and the breakout point. So we said we could break at $28,500, so we connect the bottom of the pattern till the possible breakout point, and then we move this line to the breakout point. But before sharing with you the target, look at this. We've been forming this very nice uptrend on the daily chart since November 2022. As you can see here, we had a lower high, a higher high here, a lower high, another higher high here, and here it seems like we formed the last lower high. And guys, if we don't go lower than actually 20K, we would preserve this uptrend. I believe we're actually going to get this bounce here at $25,000, because as I showed you, this is the big level for Bitcoin where we will get supported in case we go down. And so guys, I believe this uptrend will continue and we will see something like this. And from here up. This is going to be amazing, guys. And I believe this is happening also because, as I said, there's this huge cup and handle pattern here on the charts. And guys, this is going to change everything for Bitcoin in the next months. And let me show you right now the price target. And we move this line to the breakout point. And this, guys, could give us our target at approximately $41,000. And guys, get ready for that. Remember, we are on the daily chart. This means that we're not just going to go straight there with a single pump and a single candle. Of course not. It will take some weeks and months before getting there. But if we break this resistance here, then we will place a long position and hold this position till we reach $41,000. And guys, now let me show you how much money you would make by trading this, because you would make 480% profit with 10x leverage, guys. And of course, if you want to place this trade with me on Bybit once we break that resistance, then you can use my link down below in the description and you will get a big sign up bonus. And guys, now let me show you very quickly how to trade this move. So where to take profit and place your stop loss. The take profit you already know, of course. So let me show you where to place your stop loss. Because if we long here, we enter once we break. So wait for a candle close and also a volume spike during breakout and a daily close above $28,500 as we already mentioned. And you would place your stop loss below the handle. That's the conservative stop loss when you trade a cup and handle pattern. And you would take profit, guys, all the way up. And of course, this is an amazing risk-reward ratio. And we've been waiting for trades like this, guys. This is going to be mind-blowing. And if we break this resistance, I'm going to enter a huge long position here and trade till 41,000 US dollars and make also almost 500% profit with 10x leverage. And guys, I believe that for today I showed you everything. And so if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to receive more of this trading analysis. And guys, also like this video so that more people can watch it. And if you didn't watch my last analysis, you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next video.